Welcome back to Avi-Go tutorials. I'm Candice, and today I'll guide you through verifying your company account on Avi-Go, the trusted platform connecting air charter professionals worldwide. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll see a prompt to complete your company account. Click the second option, and you'll be directed to the secure verification page. On this page, you'll notice your company name and type pre-filled from your registration details. Click Edit to proceed to the verification process. First, confirm your company type. For example, let's select Broker and Jet Lessee. Next, fill in the following fields: company name, country of registration, and main business city, company address, sales email, contact number, and an optional website. Ensure all details are accurate, as company name, sales email, and website will automatically sync to your company page. Next, provide the registration number or organization ID and upload your business license. To enhance credibility, you can also upload optional documents. Need more time? No worries, just click Save to store your progress. You can return anytime by clicking Edit to continue. This time, let's select Operator. If you select Operator, an additional field will appear, where you can upload your Air Operator Certificate, AOC. Once all fields are complete and documents uploaded, click Submit. Our team will review your submission within 1-3 business days, and you'll receive updates via email and in-platform notifications. Thank you for completing the verification process. Once verified, you'll unlock a 30-day free trial to explore Avi-Go's full suite of features. Get started today.